If you're looking to make your lawn the envy of the neighborhood, a broadcast spreader might just be your best friend. Whether you're fertilizing, seeding, or spreading salt in winter, having the right spreader can make all the difference in your yard's health and appearance. In today's video, we're diving into the 7 best broadcast spreaders for 2025. We'll go through their key features, pros and cons, and I'll help you pick the one that's perfect for your lawn care needs. Now, kicking things off with the Scots Turf Builder EdgeGuard Mini. This is a solid choice for smaller lawns. It's compact, easy to use, and delivers great results in no time. With a coverage area of 5,000 square feet and a 3-foot spread width, it's perfect for getting that uniform coverage without wasting product. One of its best features is the EdgeGuard technology, which helps you prevent fertilizer from spilling onto sidewalks, driveways, and flower beds. If you have a smaller yard and want something that's hassle-free, this spreader is a good option. But here's the thing, it's not without its downsides. While it's great for smaller lawns, the plastic construction feels a little flimsy compared to other more robust models. And those 9-inch wheels, they don't exactly perform well on rougher terrain, so if you have an uneven or hilly lawn, you might run into some issues. Overall, it's a reliable and affordable option for basic lawn care, but it might not be the best if you need something heavy duty. Next up is the AgriFab 0530, a toe-behind broadcast spreader that's perfect for larger lawns. With an 85-pound hopper capacity and a spread width ranging from 4 to 10 feet, this spreader can cover a lot of ground quickly. Whether you're dealing with fertilizer, seed, or even ice melt, this spreader has you covered. The pneumatic tires make it easy to roll across uneven terrain, and the fact that you can control the spreader's on-off function from the seat of your tractor adds convenience. However, like many toe-behind spreaders, it does require a lawn tractor, which means it's not suitable for those with smaller yards or those who don't have access to a towing vehicle. Also, some users report occasional calibration issues, so you'll need to keep an eye on your settings to ensure even distribution. But overall, for those with medium to large size lawns, the AgriFab offers good capacity, ease of use, and reliable performance. The Chapin is another excellent option, especially if you're looking for a broadcast spreader that's easy on the back. This spreader has an 80-pound capacity and a 10-foot spread width, making it ideal for medium to large lawns. What sets this model apart is the ergonomic U-shaped handle, which provides extra comfort, especially if you're going to be using it for extended periods. While it's a great choice for general lawn care, the Chapin 81008A does have a couple of limitations. It's not suited for heavy materials like rock salt or sand, so it's mainly good for things like fertilizer and seed. Also, while the 10-inch pneumatic tires are great for even surfaces, they don't perform as well on very rough or uneven terrain. Still, if comfort and ease of use are at the top of your list, this spreader delivers on both. The Scots Elite spreader is a step up from the previous models in terms of both features and performance. With a large 50-pound hopper capacity and a 6-foot spread width, you can cover up to 20,000 square feet of lawn in no time. The dual rotors ensure that the product is distributed evenly, and the EdgeGuard technology prevents spillage on sidewalks or flower beds. The foam-filled tires are also a great touch. No more worrying about flat tires in the middle of your spreading session. However, there are some minor downsides. It's a bit heavy when fully loaded, which means it might make it harder to maneuver. Additionally, while the build quality is decent, some users have reported that it feels a bit flimsy at times, especially on uneven terrain. Still, it's a solid option for medium to large yards, offering a wide spread, excellent coverage, and the convenience of EdgeGuard. The AgriFab 0463 is a beast in terms of capacity and performance. With a 130-pound hopper and a spread width that stretches from 10 to 12 feet, this spreader is ideal for large lawns. It's equipped with large pneumatic tires that make it easy to navigate even in the roughest of terrains, and the enclosed gearbox ensures long-lasting durability and smooth operation. Plus, the rust-proof poly hopper means it can handle fertilizers and other materials with ease. But let's not sugarcoat everything. It does require a towing vehicle, so it's not for everyone. Assembly can also take some time, especially for those who are unfamiliar with such tools. That said, if you have a large lawn and need something that can handle heavy-duty work, the AgriFab 0463 is a fantastic choice. It combines impressive capacity with reliable durability, making it a top contender for anyone with a substantial yard to manage. The Craftsman offers a solid middle ground in terms of features and pricing. With a 110-pound hopper and a 10-foot spread width, it covers a good amount of ground without being too heavy or unwieldy. The pneumatic tires help you get across various surfaces with ease, and the universal hitch allows it to be attached to most riding mowers. Whether you're spreading fertilizer, seed, or ice melt, this spreader can do it all. Like the AgriFab 0530, this spreader requires a towing vehicle, which limits its use to larger lawns or areas with access to a tractor or mower. Some users report that the assembly process could be clearer, but once it's set up, the spreader performs well. If you're looking for something reliable with a good combination of features and value, the Craftsman is a great option. Finally, we have the Chapin 8622B, which stands out as the top choice for anyone with a large lawn or acreage to cover. With an impressive 150-pound hopper and a 12-foot spread width, this spreader can handle a significant amount of material at once, making it ideal for large lawns or even commercial use. The auto-stop system ensures that you won't waste any product, giving you precise control over the spreading process. Pneumatic tires provide smooth maneuverability, while the corrosion-resistant poly hopper ensures durability in all weather conditions. Of course, like all tow-behind spreaders, the Chapin 8622B requires a vehicle for towing. It's also on the bulky side, which might not be ideal for smaller lawns or tighter spaces. However, if you're looking for the ultimate in large area spreading with ease and precision, the Chapin 8622B is hard to beat. And that wraps up our look at the 7 best broadcast spreaders for 2025. Whether you're tackling a small lawn or managing acres of land, there's a spreader here for everyone. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lawn care tip. Thanks for watching, and happy spreading!